Hi everyone, this is a virtual tour for you at Horseshoe in Bossier City, Louisiana. Let's get into this. Here at the entranceway, on your right is the closet, passing a TV. You have your two dressers on the side, alarm clock, lamps. Pretty decent light up room. A couch area to relax. You have a desk if you need to work and another lounging spot. Some view of the photos. Paintings, I should say. Old school thermostat in the corner over there. This is an older style room. In the overview, the television with dressers. You have cups, ice bucket. The room does come with a fridge. You can store leftover food or drinks, whatever you like. And the view of the closet. Yeah, your hangers, iron board, shelf space, a safe if needed. Making our way to the restroom. You have a full bath. Of course, your shampoo, soap, body lotion. There's also a shower head if you are not the type to take a bath. You have towels over the bathtub. On the side, more towels. The trash can. And around this corner is a toilet. So you got toilet paper. A painting over your head when you're doing your business. You have a Vanity mirror, I believe it's called. Sink, tissues on the bottom. And just the overview. Yeah, so it's a pretty decent room. Recommend the stay, not too bad. And that pretty much concludes the tour. Hope you enjoy, and please do not forget to subscribe and like. And until next time, bye bye.